beautiful boy. Oh, that's really nice. Is that you? Is it you? Look how handsome you look. OMG. I love your wig. It is so fabulous. What do you reckon? Should we put it on you?
Oh, yes.
You look, oh my goodness, she looks like one of those dogs that have really long hair. Oh, it's like a blanket on her. Hello guys, so as you can probably see, I'm starting today's vlog very late on in the day. The light is so nice this evening. Is he being a naughty boy? Yeah. So we're just out taking the dogs for a walk. We had planned on going somewhere today, me and Elliot, but I actually had to work. Okay, so my camera died. Phone it is. What are you doing? You're crazy. Such a nice evening. Back from the walk. Had a really nice walk together.
Yeah, they had great bonding time. So I can use Anchor. News.
And the news tonight with Bruce. Breaking news.
Hello! They always have a pause.
Oh yeah, there's always a delay. Breaking news, there is a wild beast on the loose. Description we have been given. Gingery, massive head, sometimes likes to wear a wig. Deceptively friendly, he will rip your throat out. Ah! We're having roast dinner for dinner. Mum is here, making it. It's my last night, but it's your dad's first night. Our granddad is over. He's here. Hi! I got my gluten-free Yorkshire puddings. Me and Ellie are having the corn roast dinner, which I've never had before.
Another baby.
Another baby? Our house is just full of cute babies. Take your makeup off. Yes. Take it off for the day. Doesn't that feel good? Oh wow, so much foundation today, Arlo. What were you thinking? Stunning, flawless without it.
Not me.
Is it a puppy?
I don't know. Who's that?
Oh, it's Elle. She's got a baby one of you. She does. Look. Oh,
Was there a baby?
was there a baby on the screen? Just having a movie night in bed, but I thought I'd first put on Elle's vlog.
Hello.
She has a baby Labrador, and we have a Labrador here. Back in bed with my number one. Does anyone else bring their dogs to sleep? Me and Elliot just had a real chill night. I'm being really quiet because my granddad is staying in my brother's room, like just across the hall. It's sad that we couldn't take them both out for a walk. Now, if anyone has any tips for their dogs that don't get on, because Lola literally hates Arlo. Arlo absolutely adores her, but she's just so like intimidated by his size and like his boisterousness. Is that a word? I will see you all tomorrow. Say good night, little angel. Hello, can we just... Nice. Hello guys! Me and Elliot are now on our way to Ambleside to pick up a fan. We're filming a video with her this afternoon. It's going to be super fun. We're going to take her to the supermarket. Woo! Asda! But yeah, anyway. I'm excited. You excited to go to Asda? Buzzing! Elliot's got a really cool outfit on as well today. She is hashtag fashion blogger today. The trees are so nice in autumnal. Oh, that's the hotel we went to for afternoon tea. So nice there. So like this sound, it's so easy. Do I go? I don't know if you have right way.
Yeah, you have right way there.
fish pie. Season 2, Dynasty/Dynasty. Me and Ellie have just realised it is on. I'm so excited. This is like my favourite series on Netflix. Just FaceTiming this one before bed. Say hi to the vlog. You look so creepy because you're like in the dark and your head just came out like, hey.
How much electricity costs?
You're not paying for it, are you? You're at my house. Good morning, everybody. I literally just want to stay in this bed cocoon forever. So it's currently 7:41. It's the earliest I've been up whilst I've been here. I don't know why I decided to drive home so early, but I just wanted to get home for lunchtime. Also, I didn't tell you how yesterday at Asda went. I didn't really film anything of it because I want you guys to wait to see the actual video. It went really well. Charlotte, the subscriber that we met, was so lovely. I'm hoping she did a good job picking out the outfits. So we did an outfit challenge and I've now got to wear all the outfits this week. I have no idea what they are, so she could have picked me out Halloween costumes every day for all I know. I think I'm gonna put the first one on today, so let's hope it's comfy. Sam's working from home today though, so he'll be there when I get back, which is good. Baby, your hair is getting rather long.
I can see!
Me and Sam are just watching the Gino, Fred and Gordon programme. He's made me some soup for lunch, which I've devoured, which was amazing. Good job! You know when you just wrap yourself in your blanket that matches your dog? Me and Lola have a cosy evening tonight because Sam has gone to football. I'm just having a look for some inspo for videos. And yeah, that's the plan. I'm just literally wrapping myself in this blanket, chilling with this one. Hello guys, good morning. It is such nice weather today. It is beautiful and sunny, but I do have a fur coat on because it is still cold. So I'm currently in town. I'm just off to drop to take something back to Next, and then I'm gonna go to Primark to do a shop for tonight's video. I've put this amazing Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss on today, and I've put my hair up in a little bun on top of my head with my little fringe out. I quite like it. I'm actually so happy that I got a fringe cut. I literally can't get distracted when I go in here because I'm literally gonna want to buy all the autumnal stuff. Look how cute the window display is. So I just need to go and post some parcels. It's so weird because I live like so near Southampton town, but I never come here to shop, only for Primark. How nice is this? Love this, love the colour of this jumper. There are so many good coats in here, but literally like there's no sizes left. What do we think about a bright yellow scarf? Oh my god, they have a Winnie the Pooh dressing gown. How cute is that? £200 later in Primark. Now I'm going home to film. Look how insane these stuffed peppers look. Do they taste good?
They do indeed, even if I do say so myself.
You are a babe. We're just starting the third series of Line of Duty even, because I'm obsessed. Good morning guys. So it is a beautiful sunny day. Me and Sam went to bed so early last night and it was amazing. So today is shooting day. I'm shooting with my photographer Eva this morning. I really want to go to a pumpkin patch to do some autumnal shots. And then I'm going for lunch with my friend Umpo, who's also a blogger. She literally lives down the road from me and I don't see her nowhere near enough as I should do. Or shoot with her as well. I think we'll probably shoot as well. It's Friday. I'm in a good mood. I'm looking forward to the weekend, although I don't really have any plans. Sam's at football all weekend. I'm going to do a bit of filming and a bit of cleaning, but I need to plan something fun to look forward to as well, so I'm not just by myself all weekend. I never know when Sam has football and when he doesn't, so I always think like we're going to spend the weekend together and then we don't. My skin is actually looking a little bit better. The bumps are going down. I've been using a lot of tea tree actually recently to calm it down, because I remembered that the Body Shop stuff was really good. Hopefully we've got it under control. Guys, I'm ready. I am literally in love with my outfit today. I put a dark lip on again today because I loved yesterday's one, but this is more of a matte one. I've done my hair the same and I've popped these little, if you can see, gold earrings in, which I love. I've got my new bear coat on from Topshop, a little bodysuit on from Topshop, cold nips, and my leather trousers. And then on my feet, I've got my black trainers from Primark and some fishnet socks from Primark like years and years ago. So I'm just off to pick Eva up, and then we are going to drive to the pumpkin farm. Got my wheelbarrow and we're off to pick the pumpkins. I swear we're like the oldest people here. The rest of everyone else here, there's like a nursery trip on of kids about 5. So yeah, loving life. Okay, so we're done shooting in the pumpkin patch. Anyway, there's a tractor behind me. Look how cool these pumpkin fields are. They're literally insane. I'm covered in mud from picking up pumpkins because obviously then, oh my god, don't worry, we can wash your shoes off. Sorry, I probably should have warned you. Luckily I've got black trainers on, so it doesn't really matter. I mean, they're only Primark. I did only buy them yesterday though. Got a bit muddy in the process, but I think we've got some good picks. So now we're gonna actually go and find a pumpkin to take home. They're so heavy, so holding it with one arm for a photo is actually quite a challenge. Guys, I think I found the one. It's a little bit dirty, but I think, oh my god, I think it's gonna scrub up nicely. Let's go and wash him off. Is there any? No, there's no ones on the bottom. This is Patrick the pumpkin. I have to say, he is pretty perfect. Very nice and round. It was a very, very heavy one to carry, but he was worth it. I've had a bit of an outfit change and a lipstick change. I've literally like rushed home, got changed. I'm heading back out now for lunch. How amazing is this pink jumper? Also from Primark. I've got my fluffy little Primark bag. If you watched the haul, you would have seen both of these. Absolutely love them. I've still got my leather trousers on. So yeah, I think we're gonna go to the Harbour Hotel if they have space. When you and your friend rock up unintentionally matching. We've literally dressed the same today. Different coloured bright jumpers. We got the leather trousers going on. I feel like we actually look like a girl band. Guys, we're at the jetty. I have my favourite tempura prawns. These are so good, and Umpo has just got the souffle. Oh my god, your cocktail looks so big from here. It looks an interesting colour, like not the usual colour of Porn Star Martini. I've got a gin and tonic, Sri Lankan curry. Got my rice as well because I'm missing Sri Lanka. I've got some fish and chips here, some funky looking fish and chips. What do you do when your car won't start? You call your boyfriend to help you.
Lola.
So guys,
That was dramatic.
I needed a dramatic pause, alright? Sam's currently being my cameraman because both my phone and my vlog cameras went out of battery. So me and Lola went for a walk. I was dressed in a ridiculous outfit, wasn't I, for my video? Say no more, but you'll see it on Thursday. So did that, finished, it got dark, went back to my car. It'd been playing up a little bit today, my clutch and stuff. Went to put my car into gear, wouldn't go into gear. Turn car off, turn car back on, tried again, turn car off, turn car back on, tried again, times 10. Car wasn't going anywhere. So who do I call? Not the breakdown man, I call Sam. Say, Sam, help me.
Fireman Sam.
It's an emergency. And Sam comes to where I am in his car, and he manages after a while to get my car to go into second, and I drove his car home and he drove my car home. Anyway, we had the cinema booked in our diaries for tonight. I wanted to see A Star Is Born. Flipping heck, it was emotional. Really good film. I now see what everyone else was going on about. And here we are. That was my afternoon. I did vlog it, but I was in said ridiculous outfit, so I can't show you now because it's going to ruin it. Glad I have Sam to get me out of every single tricky situation I get myself into. Thanks for listening to Story Time with Maddie. Episode 2 is tomorrow when I've got to call the breakdown man. Fingers crossed it doesn't cost me lots and lots of money. Good night. Hello guys. So I woke up this morning with like the worst migraine ever. I never used to get migraines until this year. Oh, I can feel it coming back again. So yeah, last night I went to bed with a bit of a headache, and this morning I woke up and my head was just pounding and it just wouldn't go away. I just had to like lie in the dark with a cold flannel on my head for a while. Luckily it's managed to subside, so I've moved myself to the lounge. Been putting off getting my car sorted all day. Finally called the breakdown people, who have been great. They're sending someone out now. Luckily Sam's dad owns a garage. I haven't really done much today because of my migraine. I've kind of just been sat on the sofa watching reality TV. Current situation. The breakdown man has come to rescue my little car. Bye bye, little car. Oh dear. I think this is a sign that I shouldn't be eating eggs. Not quite how I planned, but it'll do. So my breakfast didn't exactly go to plan this morning, but it did taste good. Anyway, yeah. Gonna end the vlog here. It's Sunday, so I need to get the video up this evening. Sam's at football this morning and he's just called me and said he's injured his ankle, so because I don't have a car, I'm gonna have to walk down to where he is. It should take me about 15-20 minutes and then drive his car back. But anyway, we're gonna go for lunch with his parents this afternoon, so that should be really good. My skin this morning is looking quite red. I hope you enjoyed my second weekly vlog. Don't forget to smash a big thumbs up if you did, and let me know what you thought in the comments below, and I will see you tomorrow for a Mental Health Monday video. Goodbye!